Now, before starting the unit, you're going to want to make sure everything is connected properly. But don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. We're going to show you how to do it.
Okay, so before we go to hook up all your quick disconnects, we want to remove all your caps and plugs. We want to make sure that all of your threads and stuff on your QDs are clean. You don't have any mud, rocks, and stuff like that inside of any of your QDs.
Okay.
Anything like that you connect up and it's got something in it, it could suck it into the power unit, into the hydraulic system and cause some damage. So it's key to make sure everything's clean when we connect.
Sure. All right, so we're gonna start by removing the plugs like you said, and the caps. And as we do that, we're gonna make sure there's no debris, dust, dirt, anything within the threads where it might get pulled into the system.
Right. We're also checking to make sure we don't have any excessive oil leaks or anything like that.
Okay.
Because all these plungers and so on should be closed up and sealed. You'll see a little bit of oil, residual oil from connecting, but you want to make sure you don't have any leaks.
Okay.
And everything is good and clean. So we do the same thing on the hoses and then we're ready to start connecting.
Okay, and we're gonna start our way from left to right just to keep everything in order?
That's the easiest way to do it.
Okay.
Once you got it hand tight, right, and it stopped, you had some pressure off the hoses, you're looking to see about where your threads are at.
Okay.
Right, then you're ready to smack it home so it's good and tight. You don't have to worry about anything. Now we'll move to the case drain. Now on the case drain line, if you look here, there's an O-ring and it actually says connected.
Okay.
This is giving you a physical indication that it is pulled up completely and you're safe to operate. If you do not pull this quick disconnect up all the way, you're gonna get some oil coming out of a pop-off valve on whatever attachment it is. It's gonna give you an indicator and blow oil out of it so you do not blow the motor seals out of the attachment. Okay. So just make sure that the female side is pulled up over that black line that says connected on your case drain hose.
Okay.
These will usually take you a channel lock to get it pulled all the way up. But the cleaner the surfaces are, your thread surfaces are, then the easier everything's gonna walk up for you.
Okay. I can see it starting to pull past that O-ring.
Yep, you want to pull that all the way past that O-ring, and then it's going to lock up on you when it's in position. Right?
There it goes.
Good and tight. Now we want to hook up our 2 3/8 clamp lines.
Okay. And like you said, these are all different, so it's pretty easy seeing which one goes where.
Yeah, you can't put it on backwards. Another note to remember, when you're connecting, before you go to connect all of your quick disconnects, you want to make sure all of your gauges are reading 0 PSI. So you don't have any pressure back behind the quick disconnects as you're trying to attach them. If you do, right, somebody shut the unit off and it was in open or closed and they've got pressure back behind those gauges, it's going to be impossible to pull that up.
I see.
You have to zero those gauges out prior to starting connection. All right, now you want to go back with your channel locks or a chain wrench or whatever. Once you get these pulled down, you see that little gap in between there? We want to get that gap sucked up. It should be perfectly flush.
Okay, so these are going all the way, huh?
Yes. Yep. Perfect.
Now that you're connected, you can power up with confidence. So let's go through the final fluid and system checks.